Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. How is life going on? I hope you are following the pace of the lessons and not feeling any difficulty. We are going to study grammar today. Let's start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is your step-by-step English Grammar 6 and we are going to study lesson 5. This is at page number 20 and the topic of this lesson is phrasal verbs. What is a phrasal verb? A phrasal verb is a set of two words which contains a verb and a preposition after it. For example, he switched off all the lights before going to sleep. In this sentence, switched is a verb and off is a preposition. When we place these two words together, the meaning is changed. The next sentence is, the war broke out between two countries. You know the meaning of broke and you know the meaning of out. But when we place these two words together and make it a phrasal verb, the meaning of broke out in this sentence is that war started between two countries, the war began between two countries. So, when a verb and a preposition make a phrasal verb, the meaning is changed. The storm has blown over. Blown over means eased down. So, this combination of a verb and a preposition makes a phrasal verb and it works as a verb in a sentence. The words in red color are verbs actually. Though they are phrasal, they are called phrasal verbs, but they work as a verb in a sentence. At page number 20, you have an exercise. Let us understand. And you are asked to underline the phrasal verbs in the sentences. There are 4 sentences, and you will underline a phrasal verb in each sentence. And in sentence number 3, there are 2 phrasal verbs in one sentence. Do it on your books. Next exercise is a practice A. Complete the sentences with suitable phrasal verbs. You are given 9 phrasal verbs, and there are 4 sentences in which you will place suitable phrasal verbs. I have written all the meanings here for you. Look at these meanings and choose the right option and fill in the blanks in practice A. Practice B. This is at page number 21. Use the following phrasal verbs in sentences. There are 6 phrasal verbs. I have written the meanings of all these 6 phrasal verbs. Now use these phrasal verbs in your sentences and write these sentences on your copies. Then you have practice C at page number 21. Choose the correct phrasal verb. Here are 5 sentences, and in each sentence you are given 2 options. You will select the right one. I have written the meanings of both options at this page. You look at these meanings and select the right option. I do one for you. The first sentence is, the Pied Piper stepped into or stepped over the street and all the rats followed him. Here, stepped into means to involve in something, and stepped over means to move carefully. So, in this sentence, stepped over is the right option. In the same way, choose the right option and do this exercise. Then there is an extended exercise. Fill in the blanks of this passage with suitable phrasal verbs. This is actually a small account about some jumping team, and I have not written the meanings of these phrasal verbs in this lesson because I feel that you can guess the meanings and fill in the blanks. If you don't know the meanings, consult your dictionary or search these meanings on Google. There is a hint also that some verbs are used in second form, some in first form, and some are used with ing. So look at the structure of the sentences and you may guess what word is or what phrasal verb is the right option for the blanks. So do it by yourself. Now you have some task of creative writing. There are two applications. One application is for school leaving certificate. Look at this pattern. The principal, and you will put a comma after it. Allied School, Salman Farsi Campus, Rawalpindi. This is the whole address. And you will put a comma after school name, after campus name, and after city name, you will put a full stop. Then salutation, you will write respected sir, and you will start your application with it is stated that. After that, you will write the reason about which you are writing this application, and you will end the application by writing that I shall be very grateful to you. Then yours obediently, and after obediently you will put a comma, and please there is no apostrophe s in yours because this is possessive pronoun, and in possessive pronouns there is no apostrophe s. Then write your name and class and date. In all the applications, you will follow the same pattern, only the body will be changed. The body, the reason of this application will be changed. The rest of the pattern will be the same. Now, you will write an application by yourself, and this is the application for leave to attend a wedding ceremony of your brother. You will follow the same pattern as is in the previous application. You will just change the body of the application, and in that body you will write that your brother is going to be married and you want to attend the functions and you can't attend the school in those days, and you want a leave for 3 to 4 days and mention the dates there. And after that, the same ending of the application, and write both of these applications on notebook. This is your homework. So good luck and best wishes for you. Keep studying, stay healthy and stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.